Alright traders, hello and good morning. It is still good morning and happy weekend as well. So, alright, it was quite interesting last night. I was sort of checking on things, and gold had a really strong push. The Aussie dollar had a rally as well. So, um, the Aussie dollar had been, I've talked about that before. I was selling that. It popped up on good news, stopped me out, plummeted again, and it's back up to pretty much my entry price or above. It would have stopped me out again. So I'm glad I didn't sort of chase and reshort and everything like that. But I just want to show you the pound yen and how that's going. So I'm just running. This is another strategy I've got on the OANDA account, and it doesn't actually show where. It doesn't show the stop of the entry. So, but anyway, so that's that. 2% at risk. So we're about 1% in profit or so. Not quite, actually. I think I was $75, so that's not quite the case. Now, the pound yen, you're probably thinking, why is this a little bit more profit, relative speaking, because this is obviously the $1,000 prop trading account. And what I did here was I had the stop set at the 55 SMA, but since it's such a small account, 0.01, where the stop was, it was sort of, I can't quite recall where it was, about 120 pips or so. It represented like 3%, so I moved the stop once it took off. But so I knew it was going to be more than 2%, but I'm only putting $1,000, so that's sort of why. So it closed out at about 2%, and equity's just above 1,000 as well after the Aussie dollar. So you can see what happened here. I closed out a little bit earlier, but it did run to over 65. So we'll go back to that. Now, I don't really want to turn this into a watch list video. It's more just to see how things closed. Yeah, so as you can see, the Aussie dollar there, and that's why I was shorting it earlier in the week. So I got in, I think it was like a Tuesday morning, and then Thursday morning we had good employment data, but it really sort of this is the 4-hour, but it really did wig pretty nicely and catch me out, and then this happened. Now this is in the context of everything else behind it. This is a really nice candle, but it's probably not a sell yet. And the main reason is we're sort of sideways. We're not. I mean, obviously it's the 55 is below, so an aggressive entry would have been just to sell at the low. Stop here would be out already. Now I didn't do that. The main reason was because I was a little unsettled. I was like, wow, it's gone from a losing trade and then completely reversed, and the low there was 71.03. So that would have, nice amount of profit and would have actually cashed me out down here. So there was 2% on this account, there was 2% on the OANDA account, so it would have been like 5% for the week, which would have been fantastic, but not the case. So yeah, looking at it now, I'm not going to play that now. Also, gold had a rally. I want to see how gold finished for the week. Oh wow, okay, to me that's a breakout. So the daily, I'll be watching gold. Yeah, look at that engulfing there on the. So what I mean, the engulfing with that candle takes over that previous candle entirely. So yeah, that's interesting. So it was pretty strong early in the 2018. In January, it was sort of floating around there. It's got a little bit of room to go. I mean, the next resistance level, if we chuck this on, is like 1350. So definitely want to watch there. Probably gold is definitely a point of interest. So not shorting the Aussie dollar right now. It could still, with gold moving like it is, yeah, you could see a bit of a carry on with gold just sort of falling in sympathy type plays. So yeah, it sort of has turned into a bit of a watch list, but I'll do a more detailed one tomorrow, probably a little bit earlier than this, probably about 8 o'clock in the morning. So but that's the video, guys. So that's how the pound yen finished for the week. Just want to see So the stop's just above break even on both. I just want to see in detail. Really, I could probably even move it up here. So we'll see what I want to do Monday, and we'll go from there. But potentially I could move it to the low here of 143,400. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Watch us tomorrow, and have a great day. Bye.